a tornado warning for northeastern Morris County in east central Kansas, southwestern Wauponsee County in east central Kansas, northwestern Lyon County in east central Kansas, until 10 p.m. At 9:32 p.m., a confirmed tornado was located 7 miles east of Alta Vista, moving southeast at 20 miles per hour. Hazard: damaging tornado and golf ball-size hail. Source: weather spotters confirm tornado. Impact: flying debris will be dangerous to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be damaged or destroyed. Damage to roofs, windows, and vehicles will occur. Tree damage is likely. This tornadic thunderstorm will remain over mainly rural areas of northeastern Morris, southwestern Wauponsee, and northwestern Lyon counties. To repeat, a tornado is on the ground. Take cover now. Move to a basement or an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. Avoid windows. If you are outdoors, in a mobile home, or in a vehicle, move to the closest substantial shelter and protect yourself from flying debris. Tornadoes are extremely difficult to see and confirm at night. Please report strong winds to the National Weather Service by dialing toll-free 783-234-2592. To repeat, a tornado warning has been issued for the following counties: northeastern Morris County in east central Kansas, southwestern Wauponsee County in east central Kansas, northwestern Lyon County in east central Kansas, until 10 p.m.